Stackers, Big Poppy here, another unpackaging video. This is a very special one, probably the most special unpackaging I've done to date because this is a silver round that was designed specifically to commemorate the first ever International Silver Day, designed by none other than Chris Duane of Silver Shield fame. So let's check it out together after the intro. So as I mentioned before the intro, this is a silver round designed by Chris Duane of Silver Shield, and it was made specifically to commemorate the first ever International Silver Day, which I'm proud to say that I was a part of. And I am now a proud member of the Silver Shield squad. I love the Silver Shield rounds. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I absolutely love the reverse of them. And this one's sure to be my favorite one to date, in a nice little Silver Shield presentation box. Okay, it comes with a certificate of authenticity. I've got 90 of 253, so only 253 of these were made. It's my first mini mintage or micro mintage, and it was for members only. So as I said, I'm now a proud member of the Silver Shield squad, and let's check out the round. So it's a 1 ounce silver round, International Silver Day, April 7th, 2026, AG 47. It's a proof round. It's absolutely gorgeous. The obverse and the reverse are both amazing. Thank you again, Chris Duane, for following through after our conversation. I appreciate you being a man of your word and designing this and putting it out. Until next one, peace.